Hello, it's Angelo Pucci and welcome to our newest listing of 116 Petra Way, unit number 1 in central Whitby. This home is absolutely spectacular. New kitchen open to a open concept living room, dining room with a walkout to a patio. But to tell you more about it, Kim is standing by. Kim, are you ready?
I am.
Let's take it away.
Situated within a well-maintained condominium townhome complex in Whitby's desirable Pringle Creek neighbourhood, welcome to 116 Petra Way. Unit 1 is a lower-level 2-bedroom home that showcases open-concept principal rooms, beautiful upgrades throughout, and a charming outdoor retreat. Behind sliding doors with opaque glass panels is the foyer's double coat closet, and new premium laminate flooring with upgraded baseboards is showcased throughout the living spaces, laundry area, and the bedrooms. Off the foyer is the second bedroom, which features a double closet and a bay window with new California shutters, while the utility spaces of the home include a large storage room which can double as a pantry, and a laundry room with a brand new full-size front-load washer and dryer, as well as a stainless steel laundry tub. The modern kitchen is equally stunning as it is functional and showcases a brand new stainless steel fridge, stove and dishwasher, mosaic tiled backsplashes, cabinetry with jewel-like hardware, as well as quartz counters with a breakfast bar and stainless steel double undermount sink. Exquisite ceiling light fixtures illuminate both the kitchen and the adjacent dining area, while modern vanity lighting brightens a 4-piece washroom complete with a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a granite-topped vanity. This condo has low maintenance fees and comes with 2 owned parking spaces in a safe and secure underground garage, as well as an additional underground storage locker. All the window coverings are new, including the privacy blinds on the living room's garden door walkout, as well as the California shutters in the master bedroom, which additionally features a walk-in closet and space for a cozy sitting area. Through the walkout is a private sitting area that opens to a large ground-level concrete patio that has direct access to the sidewalk, as well as additional space for alfresco dining and entertaining. Enjoying a great location, this home is also close to shopping, restaurants, parks, and public transit, while for commuters, the Whitby GO station, as well as access to highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away.